This is the Frugal Gardener, and I'm just going to give you a little quick tour of my new raised crate garden. Things are looking up. Things are looking very well. We've had quite a bit of rain, and everything is just bursting out. We have the 3 trays of onions over here. The radishes, wow, looks like every single one of these came up that I planted, so those are going to be ready for harvest pretty soon. Look at the squash. I have quite a few squash. I'm going to probably harvest some of those today. These are, let me see, I believe this is the cherry tomatoes. And over here, more squash. Coming back this way is peppers. Peppers. More cherry tomatoes. You can see them coming up here. And not sure what's going on in there. And here is my green bean waterfall, is what I like to call it. I have beans coming in here. Not sure if I got those. And there's a bunch more coming in here. I think I'll harvest some of these, and there's a few more down there. So there's beans pretty much everywhere you look. That's about it for this area here. And there's a lot of other things going on. I'll get to that later. Here's tomatoes. Those are the yellow watermelons, and there's a lot of things going on here that I haven't discussed yet, but we'll do that in another video. So that's it for now, guys. This is where we are right now. It is not even the second week in June yet, so we are ahead of schedule, and I'm loving it. So thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions, or if you just want to let me know how things are going in your garden, just give me a little note below. This is the Frugal Gardener. Enjoy the rest of your day.